gentlemen, get ready because we're going to be having a big Pro Pack opening. And we are going to see if Pro Packs are good. Now, I've watched other Madden Mobilers and it's gone good and it's gone bad. Well, as you know, my road to 1,000,000 coins, well, I have 58K now on my good account. So let's go to there. And let's we're gonna see what we get here. There's our gold. So as you know, this is gonna be like, I'm probably not gonna get anything, but you know, you can trade them in for gold this time. Oh my gosh! Oh wow! Nice, thank you, Madden. Oh my gosh! Wow, ladies and gentlemen, that, oh my gosh, literally, oh my gosh, that was amazing. Wow. Nice. Second Pro Pack we open, we get an elite. That is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen. As you see, we're almost running out. The money here, but wow, at least we get something out of these Pro Packs. Holy cow, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that was amazing. Jermaine Kears. Well, last Pro Pack, ladies and gentlemen, last one. Let's see what we can do. We will not clutch it out. We have 6,300 left. We got a lot of players, but wow, Ted Ginn Jr. 96 feet. That's like amazing. Like second Pro Pack. Elite. Nice. Wow. So that was beautiful. You don't really like get anything else here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here with me. Well, we're going to open this. We're going to end it. We're going to end this video. Let's see if we can clutch it. Can we clutch it and open the Super Bowl 50 thing and get an elite? Can we do it? No, we can't. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this nice Pro Pack opening. Here. Not a lot, but we get Ted Ginn Jr. as our elite. So ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. And take care.